this video you will see modern sink, modern and stylish gas stove, fast vegetable cutter for your kitchen. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Smart Collection. In this video I will show you smart and modern gadgets. Kitchen is the main part of every home and we all always try to improve our kitchen with different kitchen appliances and gadgets. So I have 7 new modern best gadgets and appliances for your kitchen. You can easily solve all problems of your kitchen with use of these gadgets and electrical appliances. With the help of these gadgets, you can make your kitchen modern and stylish. So without wasting time, let's check it out. Guys, we mostly fruit, vegetable and other food items to keep unarranged way in the fridge. Because of that, mostly food items got spoiled. But now you can save your food items like vegetable, fruits and other food items with the help of this fridge organizer drawer box. You can easily install this drawer box in your fridge. This drawer box will make easy to organize every single food item separately according to your need. With this amazing kitchen gadget, you can organize your fridge in a modern way. And because of this, your food items will remain safe and fresh for a long time. So guys, now we have saved and organized food items with the help of this amazing fridge organizer gadget. And now we need to save and organize grains of our kitchen. So let's check it out, another amazing kitchen gadget. Guys, we have many grains in our kitchen and we put them in different boxes. But now you can store all grains at one place with the help of this multi-grain storage. This grain storage container looks modern and stylish and enhance the beauty of our kitchen. In this container, all grains will remain moisture-free, dry and fresh. If you need any grain, so rotate the container, choose your grain which you want and press the button and the grain will flow out. This storage container will help you to organize your kitchen. If container will get dirty, you can easily clean this container. So guys, after saving grains in a well way, let's cut vegetables with unique and smart gadget which will change your cooking style. So let's check it out. How to cut vegetables very quickly? This is the main issue of every woman in the kitchen. You can solve this problem with this multifunctional vegetable cutter. This cutter is easy to use and you can cut easily any vegetable with speed according to your need. This cutter comes with 3 blades: slice cutting blade, shredder blade and ground blade. You can easily cut any vegetable according to your need and can make your cooking fast and easy. This kitchen gadget will take your cooking skill to the next level. In today's busy life, this vegetable cutter is essential for your modern kitchen. You will enjoy your kitchen job with use of this modern and stylish vegetable cutter. After cut vegetables for cooking, now with the help of this amazing 3-in-1 stand mixer, let's make fresh meals from meat and dough for bread making. So without wasting time, let's check it out. Guys, we all use different appliances in kitchen for different jobs. But this multifunctional 3-in-1 dough mixer can do 3 jobs for you at one place. This appliance will help you to do different jobs within a short time. The first thing which makes this mixer special is that you can easily make fresh meals of meat at home. Second, you can use this mixer as a juicer blender. This mixer has juicer blender board where you can easily make juices and shakes of different fruits, as like strawberry juice, etc. The main job of this mixer is to make the cake batter, the egg beater and making the dough. If you want to make cake, you can easily make cake batter for your cake. You can also beat the cream for your cake making. You can easily beat eggs with the egg beater. This multifunctional mixer will be very suitable for your modern kitchen and you will be very happy to use this appliance. So guys, we have also cut vegetables and make meat meals too. And dough is also ready. Now it's time to cooking. For easy and fast cooking, this modern and stylish 2-burner gas stove will help us. So let's go for cooking. If you are looking for modern and stylish stove for your kitchen and want to install new and modern stove which can easy to use and easy to clean also for you. So let me show you this modern and stylish stove which can increase the beauty and interior design of your kitchen. This stove have double burner where you can easily cook anything. You can adjust the burner flame according to your need. This stove is easily cleanable, so after cooking you can easily clean the stove. This modern and stylish stove will always suitable for your modern kitchen and you will be happy and comfortable to use this. After cooking, so many vessels has been gathered to wash. For washing these vessels, we will use ultra modern sink which will change your way to wash vessels, so let's check it out. Durable modern sink is the basic need of every kitchen. So I'm going to show you one of the best ultra modern sink for your kitchen. This is multi-function sink which will change your style of working in kitchen because this sink has waterfall shower which makes it more modern and stylish sink. And when you will use this shower to wash the vegetables, fruits or kitchen vessels, you will enjoy your job and after washing water will automatically drainage due to automatic system. Another advantage of this sink is that it has single handle pull down faucet which can easily use to wash with movable positions. This sink has knife holder also where you can put your knife and has a high pressure cup washer where you can easily wash your cup or glass. If you want to make your kitchen modern and stylish, so this sink will be the best option for your kitchen. After washing kitchen vessels, you will have need to shelf them. So let's move on to another amazing gadget which can help to organize your kitchen vessels. After wash the kitchen vessels, bowls, plates, glass and cups, everyone want to shelf them in organized way. If you want also this, so this kitchen shelf organizer will make your job easy. You can install this organizer onto your sink. This organizer has cabinet where you can put your bowls, glass and plates easily after washing. This organizer has space also for spoons, spatulas, knives and cutting board. This kitchen organizer will make your kitchen modern and stylish. I hope the gadgets and appliances which I shown you will be helpful for your kitchen. If you want to buy any gadget, the buy link is given in the video description. You can also watch my suggested other products video. If you like this video and want to see more interesting and amazing gadgets and products from online market, so please like and share this video and subscribe the channel.